today some turkey breast and some cheese. Okay, so here's my Snackle Box, and I'm just going to start putting some food in here. So we have strawberries, and you can put anything you want. Strawberries, watermelons, blueberries, raisins, pretzels if you like pretzels. We're doing some strawberries. We are also going to be doing some grapes today. And I think this is really nice because I love this because it's just so colorful and easy to put together. And you can literally just buy a bunch of fruits, vegetables, some strawberries, grapes. I also have some carrots down here. Just clean these. And then we have our little squares, so little bite-sized sandwiches. I just think these are fun. My kids have always liked these. And you can make as many sandwiches as you like. I'm just doing one whole sandwich. Another thing that I'm going to add is Choco Nut Mix. It has almonds, cashews, and chocolate-covered raisins. I add a little bit of dressing, but that is our Snackle Box, and we'll see you in the next video.